Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Golf. In this video I'll show you how to enable cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To activate cruise control, press 01 button and press mode button to select cruise control. Now, accelerate to desired speed. Press set button to activate it. Then press rest button to increase speed, set button to press plus button to increase speed, minus button to decrease speed, reset button to reset, and cancel button to pause. To disable this function, press 01 button again, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.